baby na introvert na ang baby ni mama man. Do you listen mama? Huh? You listen mama? Do you love mama so much? You follow mama everywhere? Nos-tunos inabi. Mom, nos-tunos ikaw mama. I love you so much man, my baby girl. Very good girl man ang baby ni mama. You like mama kiss you? Oh, sus. You're sleepy baby na? You're sleepy baby? Sleepy baby ni mama. Kiss nose to nose. Ay, sus. You love mama? A very introvert baby girl do not like to roam around outside. It's the opposite of Dada. She don't like outside, but Dada want to go outside. She likes only Marites here in the house. Nus-to-nus. Nus-to-nus. Nus-to-nus, mama.
Ano lagi ka rin ba?
Doy, nabutan ang baby ni mama naman. Ay, so cute.